Assalamu alaikum brothers, sisters. Today we are in city of Sacramento, the capital of California. We are here at the Haveli Grill, one of the Halal Indian Pakistani restaurant. We go inside and try Halal dishes today. Basically we go inside, we see what they have, which kind of dish they have, and we cook together and test the food, and I tell you how does it taste. Let's go inside the Haveli Grill restaurant. Basically, they have a different kind of room for people, for meeting and family party here, and they have other hall over there. Also, we're going to the kitchen. We are inside the Haveli Grill restaurant. Assalamu alaikum, brother. How you doing? Assalamu alaikum. I googled the Haveli Halal restaurant. I find out the Haveli Grill here. You guys serve halal food, halal meat?
We do have a Zabia halal food.
Okay.
All Zabia halal food. Our meat is also coming from the local quality.
Okay, awesome.
So it's gonna be really fresh and really hand slaughter.
What's your main dishes in this restaurant?
We have like a really famous dish is goat kadai and beef nihari. That's really awesome, and pretty much all dishes is gonna be made by a really good standard.
Awesome.
So
awesome.
everything is gonna be tasty. Everything, you're not gonna be disappointed for any dish.
The history beef nihari coming from which country, which city?
Beef nihari actually it was mainly in Pakistan, from Karachi side.
From Karachi side, yeah. Okay.
Karachi side. That dish is really good. We made with the shank meat, on beef shank meat.
Okay. Now we go to the kitchen and see what the Akil made for us, and we see inside the kitchen and see what cooked together. Now we're going to the kitchen of Haveli Grill, city of Sacramento, Halal Pakistani Indian restaurant.
We made a palak paneer right here.
Okay.
It's the spinach with the cheese.
Okay.
And this is the chicken tikka masala. Butter sauce in there and the barbecue cubes in there.
Okay.
This is the chicken kadai.
Okay.
We made a really with the tomato, with the onion and some spices on that.
Awesome.
And this is the goat kadai. So pretty much goat kadai is ready.
Okay.
So we're gonna be add some tomato and some ginger on it. The fresh ginger on it, we add on it. So this is ready. So this is the chicken kadai, we made that. Okay, this is also ready, and we're gonna put on a little bit butter in there.
Okay.
So give some flavor for the butter. Ready. So pretty much everything is ready. Awesome. Made by you guys.
How you doing, brother?
I'm fine. How are you?
All right. What's your name?
My name is Robin.
Robin.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Robin.
Yeah.
Where are you from, Robin?
I'm from India.
Which part of India?
Punjab.
Punjab.
Yeah.
Could you talk about this sikh kebab?
So this is the beef seekh kebab and chicken seekh kebab for the Haveli mixed platter.
Take how long to cook?
At least 5 minutes at least.
5 minutes? At least 5 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
It depends the temperature, yeah?
It depends on the temperature, yeah.
Okay. So this is the, which kind of naan?
This is the garlic naan.
Garlic naan?
Yeah.
Okay.
And these all are the regular naan, butter naan.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to cook for us some naan?
Yeah, he's gonna cook it for you.
Okay. How you doing, brother?
I'm good, brother.
Awesome.
How about you?
All right, all right. For how long you cooking naan?
Well, like, I have 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
You good experience, yeah?
I have good experience.
Awesome. So basically, it take how many minutes to cook the naan?
Like just like 1 to 2 minutes.
1 to 2 minutes.
Yeah.
It depends the temperature, yeah? Yeah. Awesome. So basically, this restaurant also have an indoor and outdoor. If you guys want to stay outdoor, enjoy the food, and they also have outdoor beautiful place. There's a lighting and there's a cover on top of the outdoor. Beautiful classic a la carte here. Look at this. It's amazing, classic. Everything is so beautiful.
Freshy drink. It
Awesome.
was mango. We call mango lassi.
Okay, mango lassi, yeah?
And
Wow.
this is our barbecue platter. So this is a barbecue platter. We have it right here.
Okay.
And this is the chicken boti kebab in there, in barbecue, chicken leg in there,
Awesome.
chicken seekh kebab, which is the ground chicken,
Okay.
and same as the beef ground chicken, beef ground kebab in there.
Awesome.
So this is we sizzler everything. It's really fresh and really good.
Awesome. Let's
And
try
this
it.
is mango lassi.
Okay.
We have a mango lassi. It's really yummy drink. People will love that drink. There's a mango in there, yogurt, milk, and sugar.
Okay.
Like
Okay. Awesome. Let's try the seekh kebab, the beef kebab, and this is the chicken one, yeah? Chicken seekh kebab.
Yes.
And this is the
That's a chicken boti kebab.
chicken body kebab and chicken
Chicken leg kebab.
leg. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, chicken leg kebab, so tasty, tender, not too much spicy. It's really good. Let's try the seekh kebab. Which is this is for Arabic people called kofta kebab, and Persian called kebab shami, and also Indian, Pakistani, and Bangladeshi people call seekh kebab. Yeah, awesome. Wow, so spongy, juicy, and the spice is normal. It's really good. Let's try the chicken one. Same thing. Juicy, spongy, tender. It's really good. Chicken
Boti kebab.
Chicken goody?
Boti kebab.
Body.
kebab.
Body kebab. Wow, it's amazing. It's juicy. The good thing, some kebab is dry, but this kebab is not dry. They have juicy. Times for mango lassi, this special for Indian Pakistani culture. They are making mango lassi, and what's inside?
Is the milk, yogurt, mainly the yogurt and the mango.
Okay.
We add some milk in there and sugar in there.
Awesome. Let's try it. Wow, it's amazing, guys. It's not too much sweet. It's a normal mango juice. It's so delicious. So let's start from good cry.
The good cry.
It's also called good namak mandi something, or this is different?
no. The gold namkeen gosht is a little different. This is really tender, and it was a goat.
Okay.
We make with the tomatoes, onion, on like that.
Awesome. This is chicken tikka masala.
Yep.
My favorite dishes. This is the
Spinach with cheese.
spinach with cheese.
Yeah, we call paneer.
Paneer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We call palak paneer.
Palak paneer.
Yeah.
Wow. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last one. Spicy. The goat is it's really good. Soft meat.
Yeah, very tender.
Very tender. You feel ginger inside your mouth.
Yeah. It melts on your mouth.
Yeah, it's melt. Wow, I love it. Wow. If you guys came in Haveli Grill, don't forget good curry.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's try there. Chicken tikka masala with naan.
This naan is a little crispy.
Yeah. Tandoori, Pakistani, Indian naan. Wow. Chicken tikka masala is amazing. I love it. I love to eat masala with naan. Times for palak paneer.
Yeah.
Which kind of paneer is it?
That's I don't know. The chef knows.
Okay. Okay. Palak paneer is really good, especially if you eat the paneer with palak together like this. That's so delicious. The spices of palak paneer is normal, not too much spicy, not too much oily, just amazing. This is the garlic naan. Look at the color. It's a golden color. Crispy, it's so delicious, and everything is amazing. What's the address of this restaurant?
The address is 1910 Canterbury Road,
Okay.
Sacramento. The
Okay.
zip code is 95815.
Okay.
And we are really located very close to the downtown.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just like a 0.2 miles. We are very close.
Awesome.
Arden Mall is very next to us. Costco is Arden Costco is very close to it. Next to that. And we are here in the Shore West property, Shore West Hotel. We are inside the hotel. We are open 7 days, and Monday to Sunday we are closed. We are open 11 to 3, and then 2-hour break. Then we open again 5. We open 5 to 10.
Okay.
That's a Monday to Sunday, and Friday and Saturday we are open all day, 11 a.m. to 10:30 p.m.
Wow, that's long hours. You guys also have for a small party.
We do have the small hall for any banquet party, birthday party, wedding party, any graduation, all kind of party.
How many people?
The people is going to be 140 to 130 people.
Wow.
We're going to hold that hall.
That's a big place.
Yeah. Okay. And in our wedding hall, banquet hall, we hold like 120 to 130 people.
Okay.
And also our restaurant has 100 people capacity.
Okay.
So yeah.
So guys, thanks for everything. Thanks for your good hosting.
No, thank
Appreciate
you
it.
for coming and pick our restaurant and meet us. Very nice of you guys.
Thank you.
We really enjoy with the meeting with you guys.
Thank you so
And
much.
I hope you enjoy our food.
This was amazing.
Thank
It
you
was
so much.
delicious.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
Well.
Take care.
Guys, we just done with the food, and I really appreciated. There was very good hosting, good hospitality. The manager, owner, and the cooks, and the chef was really good guys, and they're really good, friendly, and we cooked together, and everything was very clean, so professional. The meat is halal, and zabi halal hand cut, and they're so friendly and really appreciate it. Now times we go to other place. Thanks so much. Have a great time. Don't forget, subscribe our channel, please. Support your halal food tester. If you wanna your halal food tester come in your town, in your country, just I need to subscribe and share with your family, with friends. Thumbs up, and thanks for your nice comment. I really appreciate it. I saw like hundreds great comments, great review on my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Ya Allah, assalamu alaikum.